So how we are playing it, I'm just playing the one like this. So this is the one. This is C sharp, F sharp, and B flat. These are the same note. Then I play these ones, but I grace. So are you seeing? So I'm doing this. I'm just playing. Then are you seeing? So it's this one. After I'm on one, the one. Then I play. Or you can just do. Then the two. This side you can play 4, or the 2. This side you play the 4. Then you do minor 4 this side, or just simply this, or then this is 1. Then you play these notes 5 and the 7 2 times 4. Very simple. So let's do it slowly. Are you seeing? 2, then are you seeing? So with the beat, like this. Like that. And I can also send you the beat, this beat that I'm using. I have a lot of those. I have lots of these beats. I can send you them. You give me something small and I just send you all the beats. I have a lot of them, like this one, the zouk, the rumba, the 7, every beat you want I can send you.